So getting straight into the tutorial, the first thing we're going to do is take the lace and thread it through the bottom eyelet. So you're just going to want to thread it through. Then to make sure that the lace is equal on both sides, you're going to want to take the other end of the lace and then pull up. And now, as you can see, the lace is equal on both sides. So the next thing we're going to do is take this lace and we're going to thread it through the second eyelet up on the same side of the shoe. So just threading it through. Then take this lace and thread it through the second eyelet up on the same side as well. Just like that. The next thing we're going to do is take this lace and we're going to thread it through the hole on the tongue. So just thread it through. And then you're going to want to thread it through the next available eyelet. Just like that. Then take this lace and thread it through the hole on the tongue as well. And then through the next eyelet up on the other side of the shoe. Then taking that same lace, you're going to want to thread it through the hole on the tongue. And then up through the next available eyelet. Just like that. Then take this lace and thread it through the hole once again, and then we're going to want to thread it through the next available eyelet on the other side of the shoe. Just like that. Then take this lace and thread it through the hole on the tongue. And then through the next available eyelet on the other side of the shoe. Then take this lace and thread it through the hole on the tongue. All the way through. And then through the eyelet. Just like that. Then take this lace and thread it through this second from the very top eyelet on the other side of the shoe. And then take this lace and do the same thing for the other side. Then thread it through the last remaining eyelet on the other side of the shoe. And then take this lace and thread it through the last eyelet available on the shoes. And that is how to lace your Air Max 95s. Now it's time to do the factory knot. So all you're going to want to do is take the laces and hold them together at the bottom, just like that. And then take your two fingers and your thumb and wrap the laces around your two fingers. And then thread the laces through the hole that you just created. Just like that, and then pull through. And there you have your factory knot, just like that. The factory knot style is probably the best way to lace your Air Max 95s. So, if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So let's get into it. Let's go!